what is up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Yada. For those of you that are new, I would love for you to join the Glammo Squad. In order to do so, you got to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell link, that way you are notified every single time that I post a new video. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be showing y'all how I got this cute and easy, super simple, y'all, super simple, super easy top knot bun, as well as these little baby hairs. So if you guys want to see how I did it, then go ahead and keep watching. Okay, you guys, so the first thing that I am going to do is I have this Pro Style. This is by Ampro Style Gel, and this is just a regular hold. You can use whatever type of edge control you like. But I use this one, and this one works really good on my hair. Now I have here just a little ragtail comb, and I'm gonna take a little bit, not too much, literally, like, I don't even know if y'all can see that for real, but not too much, and I'm gonna go around the edges with it. If y'all see me looking off, it's because I got a mirror literally right here. So I'm gonna go around my edges with it. So literally that little bit should make it across the whole head, even the edges. Now I have my hard bristle brush here, and I'm gonna use to blend in the gel. I usually will wet my brush as well, and that usually like dissolves the edge control. Well, not really dissolve, you just can't really, you just wouldn't be able to see it anymore. So we are going to brush the front. Feel free to put gel on the back of the hair as well. I usually don't. But yes, feel free to do so. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with a scrunchie. Now you can use a, I actually have two scrunchies here. So one is gonna be for the ponytail, and one is going to secure the bun. You can use a rubber band, whatever you like to put your hair in a ponytail, use that. Now me, I like my buns to be pretty high, so you'll see me brushing frequently, like a lot, just to make sure all the hair is towards the front of the head. Now no worries if you feel as though the hair is not as slick as you want it to be, because we are going to secure it with a scarf. So go ahead and put your hair in a ponytail. And I usually wrap it 3 times. Okay, go ahead and pull it tight. So there's our ponytail. Okay, so now that you have your ponytail, now it's time to wrap the hair around it. So what I'm going to do is start twisting the hair, and I'm going to twist towards you. So if you're doing this with me, you want to twist towards me. So we're going to twist the hair, and I'm only going to go about a quarter way first. Okay, so about right there. Now I'm going to take my right hand here, and I'm going to grab the hair and bring it toward, you see how I did that? I'm going to bring it towards the front. Same thing, I'm going to wrap it, grab with my left hand, bring it towards the back. Now as I'm twisting, I'm going to have my right hand here holding this down, that way it won't slip or anything. So we're going to twist, grab the right hand, have the left hand hold it down, and you want to kind of put this new hair that's coming around kind of up underneath. Same thing, so we're going to twist grab with the left, put it up underneath. Where's the back? And the reason why I'm putting it like up underneath, because we don't want that little like donut. We don't want that. We want a top knot bun. So same thing, and you see the bun is getting higher. So I'm gonna keep twisting all the way around until you get to the last little baby piece. Okay, so you see I have a little bit of hair that didn't make it. So what I'm gonna do is hold it. I'm going to grab my scrunchie that I'm gonna use to secure the bun. What I'm going to do is start to put my hand over it. As I'm putting my hand over the bun, I'm gonna take my pinky and hold that piece down. So you see it's held down with my pinky. And I'm going to take the scrunchie and get all the way up underneath the bun. Twist it and bring it around and get it up underneath. So y'all see how I did that? So now, there we go. We got us a little top knot bun. Okay. So you can kind of fluff it, you know, mess around with it if you want it to be a little looser. It's totally up to you. But here's mine. So now what we want to do is secure our edges, because we don't want our edges, we don't want it just like this. Like, it's fine. This is like a dancer bun, but we want the edges like snatched, okay? And I'm not the queen of snatching edges, by the way, but I'm gonna show y'all how I do my edges. So I'm gonna take my little brush here and get a little bit of gel. I'm not gonna get a lot because I don't want it like caked up on the edges. So as you can't even see that, but it's literally like a tinge. So I'm going to start on the right hand side and then make our way to the left hand side. So I'm going to take a little bit of the hair here and I'm going to swoop it and then brush it into the hair. So like that. And again, I'm going to secure them with a scarf. So if they don't lay down now, they're gonna be laid by the time you walk out the door. So again, I'm gonna do 2. Now I usually just only do 1 to 2 like little swoops. All that fancy stuff, I don't know how to do all that. So I keep it simple with 1 to 2 swoops. And then a little bit on the sideburn. Like, that's it, that's all. I don't do all that extra. And the reason why I don't do it is because I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to slick and do all that little, I just keep it simple. Okay, now, so normally when I'm doing my hair or putting this scarf on, I'm leaving it on until I get ready to leave out the house for the day, okay? But for the video purpose, I'm gonna leave it on for like a couple minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie it up. Now I'm not gonna do it too tight because I don't want that line. Y'all know what line I'm talking about. That line that come on your forehead if you leave your scarf on for way too long. I don't like that. So we're gonna let that sit for a little bit, and then I'm gonna show y'all the final product. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and take the scarf off. Yes. Oh, see, look at that one. That one even tried to like curl this way. That's funny. Get out the way. Okay. Yes. Our top bun. We got the back. Hopefully y'all can see the back. The back is nice and slick as well. Ooh. So cute. So cute. So cute. So cute. All right, you guys, this is gonna wrap up today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If so, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more little quick and easy hair tutorials, let me know by leaving a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already subscribed to join the Glammo Squad. Hit that bell link, that way you are notified every single time that I post a new video. And until then, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.